And the races on Main City from the outside. Jen Joyce Classical Jade Go Topless. Hera Star. Main City Classical Jade. Jen Joy from the outside. Hera Star. And Go Topless is running at the tail of the field by about 4 or 5 lengths of the leader. Main City, and on the outside is Classical Jade. Jen's Joy moving up by the rail is Go Topless and Hail a Star. And entering the last 600, Main City by a length and a half, Classical Jade. Go Topless is sneaking by the rail, Jen's Joy and Hail a Star. Rounding the far turn, Main City by 3/4 of a length, Classical Jade. Go Topless is running by the rail, Jen's Joy and Hail a Star. As the action swing towards the long nice stretch run with Classical Jade and Main City in the middle. Go Topless down on the inside and Jen's Joy. Classical Jade, Go Topless, Main City in the middle, and Jen's Joy on the further outside. Classical Jade, Go Topless by the run, Jen's Joy. Go Topless, Jen's Joy, and finally it's going to be Go Topless. Close for second. Jen's Joy and Classical Jade. Main City and Hail a Star.